I take this privilege to introduce today's guest of honor, Dr. Deepak L. Waikar. Dr. Deepak L. Waikar is a managing partner for Edu Energy Consultants LLP Singapore, and he has been involved in education, training, research, and management fields for almost 3 decades. He has authored or co authored book chapters, research articles, and policy papers on power, energy, management, and education related topics. He has served on various committees of professional bodies such as Chairman of the IEEE, Power Engineering Chapter, Singapore, and Chair of IEEE Education Society, Singapore Chapter. He is a recipient of the IEEE Power Engineering Society's Outstanding Power Engineers Award in 2003 and SP Green Buddy Award in 2004. Dr. Waikar has been involved in Singapore Certified Energy Managers Program for more than a decade. He has delivered invited presentations on power, energy, education, management, and leadership related topics at the international conferences, seminars, and forums in North America, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, and Asia. Dr. Waikar is a senior member of IEEE USA and a life member of the Institutions of Engineers India. He completed PhD in the National University of Singapore, Masters in University of Saskatchewan, Canada, and PD certified of university teaching in University of Newcastle, Australia. He also obtained PG DBM in Nagpur University, MTech in IIT Banaras Hindu University, and Bachelor of Engineering in the Government Engineering College, Aurangabad in India. His interests include sustainable energy leadership, development, reinventing and transforming education, smart model for talent development and leadership, innovative project design and management, and sustainable development. Today, Dr. Deepak will be giving us a session on smart grid, microgrid, and smart meters, technological challenges and opportunities. We welcome you, sir, on behalf of ICMACC team. Please.
Hello. Yes. Good afternoon, Vidyan, Jyoti, and Dilma Gemor. I think good noise. This is good because after lunch, this one will keep us awake. Thank you for this wonderful background music. Let me also लेके जाऊंगा मैं साथ में. Just it is my indeed great pleasure and honor to be here with you, and thank you for this background music. हाँ बहुत सारे सिक्योरिटी वाले. हाँ मोबाइल निकालने का इधर मोबाइल निकालो पूरा सिक्योरिटी चेक होगा मेरा भी ना. मोबाइल निकालो कंप्यूटर निकाल के रखो. ड्राइव also क्या और empty my pocket also. I had to do security check tonight. Good practice rehearsal here. Okay, so thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Padma Sai, who really persuaded me and diverted my flight from somehow Alexandria to Delhi and Delhi to Hyderabad. I was supposed to go back to Singapore. Okay, and because of her, I am here. Okay? So thank you very much for wonderful hospitality. This conference is rocking, isn't it? Isn't this conference rocking? Hello. Day 3, still rocking or not? Are you still sleeping? No, sir. Oh, thank you. The topic I have chosen, those who want to take my coordinates, take photograph now because I'm almost running out of my cards. Okay. Later on, you ask me, give me card, I may not have. So please take photograph of this one if you wish, my email address and my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay. Ready? I would like to take a blessing of Goddess Saraswati. Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varde Kamrupini Vidyarambham Karishami Vidhir Bhavatu Mesara. Because as I mentioned to you, it has been very challenging for me to come all the way from Singapore to Alexandra, New Delhi to Hyderabad. So thanks to Goddess Saraswati, I'm here. This is agenda specifically for the conference organizers, because section chair is sitting, conference chair is sitting. There are some distinguished experts here. They would like to note down what was the agenda, okay? Because you know it, board meeting. So this is the agenda. Introduction has been done. Thanks to this one, okay? Smart grid, micro grid, smart meter, summary and conclusions. With you, we'll have summary. Let's begin. Do you like surprises? Hello, do you like surprises? Maza aata hai? Okay, let us see now. Okay, let me see what is there. Wow. Thak kar raha hai, surprise aa raha hai. Coming soon. Traffic jam kare. Signal jam. Okay, coming soon. Yes, there you go. Imagine now all of you have been given e-tickets by none other than our conference chair, Professor Padma Sai. Okay, she has distributed. I'm also getting e-tickets. Okay, e-tickets. Board your flight, whichever you like it. Okay, whether you want to take Air India, Singapore Airline, and board your flight. Nowadays, you have to again follow protocols. Thank you, wonderful girl. Okay, you are doing it. Follow that protocol. Okay, once you sit here, you have to follow protocol. And we have got wonderful pilot, Professor Padma Sai, who is going to take us to okay, go. Okay, wonderful side. I'll come down. But we have the noise to signal ratio. Okay, today we are discussing about how to reduce the noise. This is the project. Some of you can take it. Okay, real life problem. How to take care of noise. निकाल दो बहुत आवाज कर रहे रे निकाल दो उसको अब ठीक है okay so all of you have boarded your flight. By the time we were doing some background check, okay, security check has been done very clearly. I am also clean now. Okay, जो बज रहा था वो भी गया. And you are traveling in your mind. And you know what is the speed of mind? Anybody knows what is the speed of mind? In a fraction of a second. In a fraction of a second, you are arrived at one of the world's smart, eco-friendly airport. All of you arrived there, okay? And nicely you're going inside and taken by green transportation there. And for senior citizens like us, something to carry. Then we had to put on robo. Robo is there. Some of you are designing robo, so carry our luggage, hand luggage, okay? And your passport is scanned. All computing, very high computing. Theme of the conference, automation, microelectronics, everything is there. And you arrive here, your luggage is also there. And someone is waiting here with looking at the smartphone, waiting for you, okay? Waiting for you, and will take you to, this is an microelectronic garden. अभी देखिए microelectronic garden. दिल garden हो जाएगा. Yes, I'm telling you, it is reality. Okay, so now you are reach a smart city, wonderful one. And next 20-30 minutes till the chairperson says stop. We will be in this wonderful city. Okay, all of you are there with me. Let's begin. Okay, yes, good. Current scenario, क्या हो रहा है? What is it happening? Okay, this is typically we call electrical power system grid. Okay, typical one. Lots and lots of transmission line. Do you see transmission towers going around? The bigger one, transmission lines. Yes, from generation all the way to transmission, substation, high. Okay, this is how electricity coming to this hall. That is called now a normal grid, which has been there for ages. Not new. सवाल यह है, क्वेश्चन इज दिस, मेरे प्यारे प्यारे परीक्षार्थियों, बताइयो, टेल अस, हु सेड इट? वन सन, वन वर्ल्ड, वन ग्रेड. गूगल बाबा से देखो, पूछो गूगल बाबा से. Okay, doesn't matter. I also don't know. Okay, so what is your feeling about the smart grid? Now we have a grid and we have got one sun, one world, one grid. Then what is that smart grid? Okay, smart लग रहा है कि ना मैं? Hello. हाँ, बस grid को भी ऐसा मस्त smart दिखना चाहिए. Grid को भी must look smart. Okay. Yes. Now on the top, what we have got a normal grid. Okay. Just now we have seen normal grid. Normal grid. Electrical infrastructure. Birthday tower. Okay, you can go up, climb on the tower and enjoy your world. Okay. Solar. Google Baba says that. Okay. And who brought the International Solar Alliance? See, now this is only simple. Okay. See, Solar Alliance is a company. Who said it? I said, who said it? Okay, good. That's good. Thanks very much. Google Baba is working and he promised me that he's going to sleep, but he's not sleeping. Okay, that's okay. Don't worry. Thank you. Okay, what is we are talking about is, this is the part. The conference is focusing on this intelligent infrastructure. Lots of computers are there. You name it. अभी गली गली कंप्यूटर है, घर घर कंप्यूटर है. क्यों? हाथ हाथ में भी कंप्यूटर है. बाद में जेब में भी कंप्यूटर, बाहर भी कंप्यूटर, अंदर भी कंप्यूटर. Very soon you are going to get a microchip which will be planted into your, like a vaccine, given microchip. क्या लग रही है? मस्त लग रही है microchip. Then you can go anywhere and enjoy yourself. You board the flight, automatically you from your bank, money is deducted. Okay, and you have got, these are the tower, telecom tower, which was built by our friend also. Telecom tower, all wireless and whatever, everything is there. You need for that. What is this is what. So what we are suggesting is, if you want to be smart, especially for smart grid, most important part is security. Correct? Do you agree? Security is most important part. Security चाहिए कि नहीं? इन्होंने चेक नहीं करा था अभी तो कुछ तो मिल जाता आपको. क्यों? So good, he checked. Security is one. So it should be secure, market driven, because microelectronics, computing, automation, so much market is needed. Therefore, conference is there. Otherwise, conference would not have been there. Correct. Third, okay, affordable. You should be able to afford it. Affordable price. Okay. Resilient. There is going to be fault. Just now you have experienced it. So you need resiliency. Come out of that fault. Last but not least, transferable. Technology should be able to transferable. ये 5 पांडव है आपके साथ. 5 पांडव, if you use it for any purpose, not only for smart grid, any other projects you do, any other research you do, any other work for industry you do, you apply these 5 warriors, 5 पांडव, 100 करोड़ पे भी भारी पड़ेंगे. Only condition is श्री कृष्ण भगवान आपके साथ होना चाहिए. आपके प्राध्यापक श्री कृष्ण भगवान है, तो वो आपके साथ होंगे तो फिर आपकी नैया पार है, नहीं तो उधर है. So this is what we are recommending. 5 पांडव, 5 warriors. Okay. Yes, surprise, sir. कहाँ है? Security check. We want that video is there. Next, just there is one file. 2 मिनट का ये. Yes. चला उसको. चलेगा क्या? Yeah. इसका भी मुंह बंद कर दिया क्या जी? हाँ ना. अब क्या प्रॉब्लम? एक प्रॉब्लम आफ्टर प्रॉब्लम. कहाँ गया ऑडियो? ऑडियो किधर है? पहले तो बहुत बज रहा था, अब एकदम बंद हो गया. Now audio is there. Okay, play. भागो, लेके भागो. Can you transfer it to him? ओ नहीं जी, ओ नहीं, नीचे वाला. नीचे वाला जी, नीचे वाला. ओ नहीं जी. अरे यार. नो, पीपीटी मत कॉपी करो. नहीं, तो पीपीटी मत कॉपी करना है, वो फाइल करो, MP4 वाली फाइल करो, वो चलेगी वहां से. पीपीटी की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ MP4 है. This is the instruction from top. Okay, just copy MP4 file, take it there. Okay, take it there. Yeah, and take it there. That should suffice. Till that time, we will. Okay. Okay, doesn't matter. Good, that will keep you awake. Okay. थोड़ी देर दो. एक power map, 30-second power map, you can take it. I told you we are going to smart city, correct? Smart. And there is always a communication issue. Okay. सर जी, हमने आपको बताया था कि हमारे पास एक वीडियो है, उसको चलाना है. Okay, कोई हर्ज नहीं, not to worry. So what we are going to just share with you. Yes. Okay. High computing in action. You are seeing high computing in action. Okay. Quickly they have to copy. Data is so huge, so they cannot. Okay, just copy that MP4 file, take it there. The Keynote MP4 file. नहीं जी, पूरा एकदम उसके साथ की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need everything. You just need MP4 file, sir. Okay, लेके जाओ, भागे वहां पे भागो. Okay. Okay, while they are doing that high computing and transfer of data, transferable, we will just get your view. Okay, how many of you are from computer science? Computer science? No one. Wonderful. How many of you are from EEE? No one. How many of you are from where? Civil? Mechanical? Management? Arts? Science? अरे कहाँ गए सबके सब? Oh, electronics and communication. मैं तो भूल ही गया. That's okay. Electronics and all of your electronics communication. What, so much dominated by electronics and communication. फिर हमारा electrical का क्या होगा? So don't worry. Okay. Thanks very much for your input while we get ready. And just watch how much electronics and communication is inside that video. You can tell me. Okay. आपके लिए. Okay, you can tell me option A 5%, option B 15%, option C 30%, option D 50%, option E 70%, option F 80%, option 9 90%, option 10 100%. Okay, after watching this one. चलेगा क्या? It is you. Okay. Good. Those are almost all on 11 are others, correct? Means they are from other planet, some different world. Okay.
Innovative policies and practices for smart grid application. In the 21st century, communication, smart devices, and intelligent technologies have made inroads in the various sectors of the economy. The smart grid is one of the critical components of modern power and energy networks. The smart grid innovative policies and practices for smart grid applications. In the 21st century, communication, smart devices, and intelligent technologies have made inroads in the various sectors of the economy. The smart grid is one of the critical components of modern power and energy networks. The smart grid uses a combination of smart devices, communication, analytics, and artificial intelligence. Such devices are expected to improve the efficiency, reliability, and availability of electricity supply, transmission and distribution. Therefore, innovations in communications and artificial intelligence have to be further accelerated for enhancing the management of the smart grid. The policies and practices have to be in tune with sustainable and disruptive technology innovations. Concerted efforts and progressive implementation strategies are required. How intelligent communication technologies and artificial intelligence can play a pivotal role in smart grid developments. Smart grid developments is the theme of this keynote address.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so how much percentage of microelectronics, automation, communication, computing is there in this video? Okay, 74, 70, 70%. First answer has come, 70%. Anyone else want to dispute that? Okay, we are there. Two, that's okay. So कैसा लगा video? While we get, so how do you like it? Hello, ठीक है? नींद आ रही है कि नहीं? अच्छी आ रही है? Okay, thanks very much. Feeling about, thank you very much. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what it means is now all these smart 5 warriors you can use to design, redesign. Design and redesign. Communication is a part of it. Instrumentation and measurement is part of it. Monitoring, protection, and control and management is required. You can hide that sharing. Somebody can hide sharing part. यहाँ पे जो हाँ, good. Thank you very much. Wonderful. So this is what is needed if you want to apply 5, okay? What makes grid smart, therefore? What makes a grid smart? When we use digital technology. One, use digital technology, which allows two-way communication. Earlier, the grid was only one-way communication between utility, community, and users, customers. So we need sensing devices. They talk about all the IoTs. You need that one for that purpose, and energy meter. So this is the smart infrastructure you can integrate. Thank you. What it means? Yes, you need digital controller. Controller is here. And you get digit, which responds very quickly. Responds very quickly in a fraction of a second. In a fraction of a second, it will respond to whatever the change is happening in the network. Why we need to do it? Because existing infrastructure is aging. पुराना हो चुका है हमारे जैसा. Young लोगों को आना है. Okay, so and therefore also we want to contain the energy prices last 2 years, energy prices have been really fluctuating quite high. How to get them properly under control? Go for smart grid. Sustainability is very important aspect nowadays, and we need a regulatory framework to make it happen. Okay. This is the concept design. Okay, concept design of a smart grid. I'm going to ask you questions. Electronics and communication people can. Okay, nuclear power plant है आंध्रा में, हैदराबाद है, तेलंगाना में nuclear power plant है क्या? नहीं है. Okay. How about thermal power plant? Hey, hydroelectric. Hey, what about photovoltaic? Solar. Hey, wind is there. Okay, electric vehicle, eco-friendly vehicles is there. Okay, wonderful. And we are sitting in the law this like this. Okay, and obviously factories. When you connect them using your talent, okay, electronics and communication, just we are saying, then it becomes a smart grid. This is the concept design. Okay, so whenever you are going to write your research paper, your project, you should have a concept design in your mind. Without that, you won't be able to proceed further. Okay? And these are some of the advantages of why you should go for smart grid. Not only one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Most important, I like it, is responsive and efficient management of power network. And for you, electronics and communication, efficient communication with consumers. Not only between devices, machine to machine, but also between people to people. And there are other options are there, quicker one, okay? And if you want to apply latest trend, such as artificial intelligence, data analytics, then you have all element, including, कल बताया था ना 2 दिन पहले, मोटा data, यहाँ भी लगेगा. Huge quantity of data is generated, so you need that one also. So you have got all this AI, all your periodic variation, because electricity fluctuates, prices are fluctuating, and this is what the architecture proposed in one of the research laboratories, and which is being now used in some countries also. That reminds me, very simple one, okay, just for प्याला भरा है आधा, या आधा है वो खाली. All of you know it, correct? If the glass half full or is it half empty? You heard from many of them, correct? And presidents and prime ministers and others, they say, I see glass half full all the time. Adha pani se, adha hawa se. But question arises is whether you see the glass half full or half empty doesn't matter. Whether you take action, काम पर निर्भर है. Whether you take action, काम पर निर्भर है. निकलेगा दिवाला या मनाओगे दिवाली. Okay? Whether you face bankruptcy or enjoy prosperity, it depends on action. मेरे प्यारे प्यारे परीक्षार्थियों, प्राध्यापकों, we are कर्म योगी. Action करना ही पड़ेगा. If you don't take action, doesn't matter how optimistic you are or how pessimistic you are, doesn't matter. If you are willing to take action, that will provide something. That is what is needed to take action.
Hello.
Some of them must have said earlier, so I will not spend much time. 5G है आपके पास? 5G है? जोर से चल रहा है? Okay, these devices, all of you must be having it, correct? What is AR, VR? सुना नहीं, जोरों से.
Augmented reality, virtual reality.
रियलिटी में है क्या अभी, क्या वर्चुअल में है? वर्चुअल में है. ओके, मेटावर्स, ओके, ठीक है. एनालिटिक्स देख रहे, एआई है, बहुत सारा एआई एवरीवेयर. ओके, दे आर सेइंग, ओके. Now I just mentioned to you what is smart grid. Now most important part for us, if we have to contribute, we need to know about microgrid, like your micro electronics, correct? Microelectronics, we need microgrid. What is that microgrid? Again, it has also got many advantages, okay? Many advantages it has got, but what I will focus is mainly on enhances cyber security, because you can quickly isolate it. Moment you see there is some attack is happening, you will be able to isolate it. For a big grid, it is tough. Economic value is there, and there are other benefits. Resiliency is most important part. How it looks like conceptually, you have a DC grid, DC microgrid. All devices, fuel cell, your smartphones, your notebook, majority of them are DC devices. If they are DC devices, you need a DC grid and DC storage system. This is a typical structure of a microgrid. But what IEEE has done is IEEE has combined AC microgrid and DC microgrid, and they're calling it hybrid AC DC microgrid. IEEE standards. If it is IEEE standards, you can use it. In each of your college, you can build this one. Where for AC, you will connect all AC devices, and on the DC, you connect all DC devices. And there is a coupler here. And all of them, definitely, when you use, and every second, every half a minute, you take the data, you're going to get tremendous amount of data if you want to control it. Tremendous amount of data. And that is where your projects can come in. That is where your research can come in. Okay. At present, still, this is in conceptual stage. In some universities in Singapore, they have tried to demonstrate it. Some challenges are there. So, very simple choice. Smart grid, maybe big companies, big organization can think about it. Microgrid, we can do it at our homes, in your laboratories, in your institutions, in your colleges, whichever organizations you work for it. This you can build. This you can build and make your supply a reliable one, for which obviously you have to use all technologies, including IoTs. So now to make it function, obviously whatever we do, we must measure it. Otherwise, we don't know what is happening. So we need smart meters. So where is a smart grid? Microgrid, smart meters. Okay, we need smart meters. What is it? Again, it is an electro-digital device. Okay, electro-digital device which combines. Many of you must have seen in your homes. Smaller version, thoda chota. Factories mein zara bada. And you may be able to communicate using your smartphone. So it is a combination. Obviously, it will do the same thing, measure voltage, measure current, measure power, whatever it is, power factor, industry need it. Whatever that, again, measurement is happening, digital meter. And if you do digitally, at present cost is high. So therefore, you can design a new smart meter, which is cost effective. That will be, you have advantage. This is how the structures looks like. I do not go much into detail because of time limitations, but you can straight away monitor it. Now you will know, right, sitting over here, how much is your bill, or what devices are actually working in your home or in your lab, wherever it is. Okay. And I was told that now they are called phasor measurement units, satellite communication. You heard about GPS? GPS, now they are using similar technology, but now all devices at the strategic locations, they have got those devices which will talk to the satellite. From satellite, there will be synchronized, and that is how they will come together. So imagine what kind of computation will be required. And that must be done fraction of a second every time, not after 1 hour or 2 hours, no, fraction of a second. And if you are getting the data, if you have got hundreds of such them, getting data in a fraction of a second, you consider what kind of data you are getting it. Okay, so this is a new development. Those who want to work phasor measurement units, at present they are used selectively because of the cost. And all of you know, cloud pe jana hai na, so they go on cloud. Obviously, you can send them on cloud. All data goes on cloud, then you can control, communicate, whatever you want it. So all advanced metering infrastructure, meter and control central, two-way communication, and you can go right from your home all the way to the command center. right from the command center, you may be able to know what is it happening. So this is the kind of architecture is being designed and unfolded. Obviously, to make it happen is a challenging. And that is where you get opportunity to do research in your labs, in your organization. And most important is now if you can also design an app. Okay, Power Play app. Much better than Candy Crush. You can play this app. Okay, make an app, then you can play this game. You can play this game. You can put everything, information on this one, right from sitting over here, you will know. Then you can say, Mera bill, tumhare bill se jada kaise? Hai. My bill is higher than yours. Khush? Yes, this is where we need to put our efforts rather than designing those imaginary games, okay? Wherein then they just go crazy and then do whatever later on. So you have a choice to design such kind of games. So is there a scope for hope, or am I talking pipe dream? Hello, scope for hope or pipe dream? Hello? Scope for hope. Okay, I ask you now, how many minutes you have got? Almost done. Okay, almost done. Agar jaldi khatam karna hai, to tell me how many of you want there is a scope for hope. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, how many of you want there is scope for hope? Raise your hand. Okay, it's a raise your hand. Raise your hand. Everybody, raise your hand. Hi. Say ECT. It's smart grade. Hyper grade. Smart meter. Waikar. Thank you very much. Yes, what you want? Thank you. Yes, we almost got it on the time. Thank you. Don't wait, not going to be now. You want to save some money? I say, but I much. I can tell you, if you follow this one, is 5 towers, okay? Tower 1. This is what you are consuming. Apply energy conservation, you can save 15%. Apply IoT, energy efficiency, you can save 125%. Total 40% you save here. Invest in renewables. Your bill is from 100 to only 30. Okay. If your monthly bill is 2,000 rupees, with 100 here, how much your bill will be here? Can you tell me now? Your monthly bill is 1,000 rupees. If you are here, how much will be your bill? Thank you. How much will be the bill if you are here? Anybody? Fast computing? Kitna? 400? 300? 300. Okay, 300. How much you have saved? 700. Now you can go and do that at your home. And not only that, if you are saving 300 per month for 1 year, how much you are saving? 700 you are saving, not 300. You are saving 700, not 300. Okay, work it out. That is why I just came from Egypt. So pyramid is not because of that, but this is the pyramid they say we should follow. Energy conservation at the bottom, energy efficiency, and then renewables. Exactly what we have done it now. You do that one, you will be successful. Electric vehicle. Hai kiske paas? How many of you have got electric vehicles? Okay. Batteries are everywhere. Okay, batteries. This is where electronics you say. Hai, kisme se kuch? Anybody having electric bike? Good. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Your scooty. Electric scooty. Ooh, good. Wonderful. Okay, go for that. Yes. The question arises when you use those kind of devices, you need electrical power. Smart grid se power chahiye. So now tell me what kind of power you want it. Generated from the coal-fired power station or generated from the renewable energy? Jhakkas chahiye तो भकास चाहिए, झकास, भकास, झकास या भकास, झकास. Okay, झकास. That is what you can make that happen. Presently, majority is bhakas. 90% coming from the, see, 90%. This is what solarized Jhakas charging station. You can make it happen here. Hey, public transportation, all of you know. Okay, bullet train है क्या यहाँ पे? वंदे भारत बुलेट ट्रेन आ गई? नहीं आ रही? अरे अरे यार, मुझे लगा मैं बैठ के जाऊंगा. हाँ, नहीं आई अभी तक. कब आने वाली है? कब आने वाली है? Okay, electric transportation is now going higher. Okay, going high. So obviously you need what type of supply? झकास या भकास? झकास है तो नहीं तो पोल्यूशन आएगा, नहीं तो पोल्यूशन ऐसा दिल्ली से भी ट्रैवल करके आएगा. Pollution will travel all the way from Delhi with a bullet train and come here in Hyderabad. Okay. Yes. Therefore, our choices need to be झकास. Okay. Those who want to connect with me only for discussion on this. I am already reaching my limit, but I will accept those who are very serious to discuss about these matters. You can send me request. I will accept it. Okay. So coming soon. खत्म हो रहा है. बस हो ही रहा है. बस. Is Make in India. Digital India. Smart City. Atmanirbhar Bharat. Feasible without quality, secure, and reliable availability of smart grid, microgrid, and smart meters. Ha ya na? Ha ya na? Na, ha. Na, ha. Na. Okay, if it is not, then obviously that is the future you're looking for. Yes, that is the future you're looking for. Net zero pollution, net zero waste. Net zero pollution, net zero waste, net zero energy at its best. है क्या? You have net zero energy है आपके पास? Net zero. Net है क्या? Zero है क्या? Net zero. Okay. Net zero pollution, net zero waste, net zero energy at its base, make them part of everyday routine. सिर्फ कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए नहीं, सिर्फ फेसबुक की फोटो लेने के लिए नहीं, और अर्थ डे आया उस दिन के लिए नहीं, और कुछ आया उस दिन के लिए नहीं. Everyday routine. Make them part of everyday routine. Keep our surroundings clean and green. And this is written by my digital twin. Okay, my digital twin is here, who writes whenever something idea comes in. So this is what vision we are promoting all over the world. Okay, not only in Singapore, not only in Cyberabad, not only in Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, not only in the IEEE, all over the world. Okay. So what is your action plan then? What are you going to do? कम से कम तालियां तो बजा सकते हो, क्योंकि हमारे एमसी लोग खड़े, कब इनको भगा दे यहाँ से, हाँ? और दूसरों को बुलाएं, उनको वो भी वेट कर रहे हैं कि मैं कब आ जाऊं. कब तक बोलेंगे. वो खत्म हो रहा है. This is what I do energy. 30-second advertisement. If you want to get it done properly, systematically, approach us. We will help you make it happen wherever you are, whatever you are. This is my your action plan. अभी वीडियो नहीं दिखाते. क्यों वीडियो नहीं दिखाते? ये वीडियो अच्छे है लेकिन नहीं दिखाते क्योंकि वक्त का तकाजा है. Time is over. Madam says time is over, so I have to get out from here, become a passionate, smart, clean, and green. Thank you very much. Write your research paper, write your case study technique, whatever you want to do it. Thank you very much. With this one, taking you around here, I bring you to the use your any green transportation. You are back at the world's most smart, eco-friendly airport. Okay, you are going over here, you are checking in, your luggage is sanitized. App, अभी जो ऐप बनाया था ना, वो दिखाइए. आपका टिकट उसमें बैठिए. After visiting this wonderful land, a smart city, you are back to your own places. हम आ गए हैं we are back in this hall, auditorium. We are back in Vijnana Jyotir Institute of Engineering and Technology Auditorium, correct? We are back over here. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to share with you.